Good morning, Scotty.
Good morning.
I see you're digging right in here.
Yes,
to our...
and we already have issues.
Scotty, you've always got issues.
True.
You are an issue.
But...
Fun!
40-year-old plastic just broke.
Lovely. Just coming off the throttle link.
Yeah, I haven't even pulled it off yet.
All right, so we need a throttle cable. Great. That's easy enough. That's common. All right, so we'll get that taken care of.
It may be common, but this is a nightmare to do.
It's not going to be too bad. Because it's right here. We are doing the fuel pressure regulator.
Right, which is not a problem.
Yeah, that's not too hard at all.
No.
So this is going to come off right here.
Yep.
And then Scotty's going to undo the bolts on each side of the plenum.
Yep.
And
Pop it off.
Come straight out.
Did you just use a swear word in front of me?
Come?
Straight.
Maybe. Anyway. Anywho. Back into action here.
Yep.
So that's going to come off. Plenum's going to come off.
We'll do a little bit of cleaning while we're here, just to make sure everything goes back and looks pretty. Because, I mean, dude, look at this. I mean, it's gorgeous.
Yes, we know this car's stunning.
That's one of my absolute favorite cars to ever have. And I had one. I sold it and made bank.
You've had a lot of weird stuff.
I've had over 1,100 cars since I was 18.
Yeah, but you're also like 800 years old, so you've had a lot of time.
How old is he?
Exactly, you know, right? Well, actually, I'm going to be 795 in the next couple of months.
So you weren't at the Last Supper.
I catered it, actually.
So then you're older than 795.
Yes.
Are you lying about your age again?
Shh.
You don't look a day over 650.
Thank you.
Oh, Jesus. All right, so Scotty's going to carry on.
Yep.
Carry on my wayward muskrat.
Ooh.
What are you oohing?
The upper control arm bushings are absolutely spanked.
Oh, yeah, we've discussed this before in the past.
Wow. I didn't know that.
6,000 mile car.
Yeah.
That's 40 years old. All right, so Scotty's going to undo.
I've got lots to undo and lots to unplug and lots to screw and unscrew. But bump.
And remember, we did the coolant bypass on the throttle body.
Exactly.
So you don't have to worry about that mess.
Oh, good. So I, unfortunately, have to get back to work where you get to stand around with a camera in your hand.
No, I got to order parts.
Ooh! Order parts.
And help.
Oh my God, no. Say it ain't so.
Yeah.